My name is Dennis Campbell. My shop is in Nanaimo, BC. I've been working on cars for 38 years. I was mechanically inclined. My dad pushed me this way a little bit and started working on my own cars before I even started driving, and just stayed with it. Oh, I like the satisfaction of taking a vehicle that's broken and repairing it, taking a troubled situation and turning it into a positive one for the customer. We are full service. There's nothing that we won't do. Bumper to bumper, yeah. Brakes, exhaust, shocks, oil changes, tune-ups, tires, alignments, diagnostics. We do it all. Oh, we have a pickup and drop-off service. Customer only has a single car and they want to not spend time here. We drive them home or pick them up at a mall because we're great guys. Like, simple. No, we have a great warranty, and the best part is that we're the largest automotive franchise in British Columbia with 29 stores. And so if you get something from me, you can go anywhere on the island, anywhere in the lower mainland, the interior, to get it repaired. So that's peace of mind for the driving public. We just like people, and we want people to like us, and so we go out of our way to be extra happy and joyful when they're here, and it seems to work. Budget.